All right, gamers, let's talk shop. You can't expect to dominate the digital battlefield with some clunky old rig, can you? No way, mate. You need a machine that's as hardcore as you are. A top-tier gaming PC is more than just a computer. It's your portal to immersive worlds, adrenaline-pumping action, and glorious, glorious graphics. We're talking frame rates smoother than a fresh jar of Nutella, and visuals sharper than your grandma's wit. But it's not just about bragging rights, though those are nice too. A powerful PC can actually improve your gameplay. Faster load times, higher frame rates, and better responsiveness give you that competitive edge. So, are you ready to build a beast? Let's get started. First things first, we need a graphics card that can pump out pixels like nobody's business. And when it comes to GPUs, Nvidia is the undisputed king of the hill. For budget builds, consider the Nvidia GTX 1660 Super. But if you're aiming for the ultimate high-end build, the Nvidia RTX 4090 is the way to go. These beauties are loaded with cutting-edge tech like ray tracing and DLSS, which basically means your games will look so real you'll swear you could reach out and touch them. Now, I know what you're thinking, Linus, my wallet's already crying just thinking about it. But trust me, the performance gains are worth every penny. Plus, you can always skimp on something else, like food. Just kidding, maybe. Now that we've got our graphical powerhouse sorted, we need a CPU that can keep up. And for that, we're turning to the red team, AMD. For budget builds, the AMD Ryzen 5 3600 is a great option. It offers solid performance without breaking the bank. But if you're aiming for a high-end build, the AMD Ryzen 9 7950X is your go-to. This beast offers top-tier performance for the most demanding task. Think of it like giving your CPU a good old-fashioned overclock, but without the risk of setting your motherboard on fire. Always a bonus, right? Pause 3S. Scene 5. Monitors fit for a champion. For budget builds, the ASUS VG245H is a solid choice. It offers a 24-inch Full HD display with a 75Hz refresh rate and 1 ms response time. This monitor provides excellent performance for its price, making it ideal for budget-conscious gamers. When selecting a monitor, compatibility with your GPU is key. The ASUS VG245H supports AMD FreeSync, ensuring smooth gameplay with compatible GPUs. For high-end builds, the Alienware AW3423DW provides an immersive experience. This 34-inch curved monitor boasts a QD OLED display with a 175Hz refresh rate and 0.1 ms response time. Next, consider the connectivity options. USB-C, Thunderbolt and HDMI can all add significant convenience and speed to your setup. And for those who love to tinker, a monitor with robust on-screen display options is a must. Durability and build quality are also crucial. Look for features like a reinforced stand, high-quality build materials, and effective cooling solutions. These can make all the difference in ensuring your monitor runs smoothly for years to come. Lastly, aesthetics can't be ignored. Many monitors now come with customizable RGB lighting and sleek designs that can make your setup not just powerful, but also visually stunning. In essence, a well-chosen monitor ties all your components together, ensuring they work in harmony to deliver the ultimate performance. It's the unsung hero of your dream build, providing the visual clarity and features needed to turn your vision into reality. Section 5. Commanding the battlefield, the perfect keyboard and mouse. Now, you can't expect to conquer the digital world with just any old keyboard and mouse. These are your tools, your weapons in the heat of battle. You need weapons-grade peripherals that are fast, responsive, and built to last. Think of them as the Excalibur and Aegis of your gaming arsenal. For keyboards, mechanical is the only way to go. The tactile feedback and precision are unmatched. You want that satisfying, clicky feedback with every keystroke, a sensation that tells you each command is executed flawlessly, and the durability to withstand even the most intense button mashing. Whether you're in a heated firefight or typing out a strategy, your keyboard should never let you down. And don't forget about those RGB lights. They add a touch of personal flair and can even enhance your gaming experience, because who doesn't love a bit of rainbow vomit on their desk? It's not just about aesthetics, it's about creating an immersive environment. As for the mouse, you'll want something with a high DPI sensor for pinpoint accuracy. This ensures that every movement, no matter how small, is tracked perfectly, and customizable buttons for those sweet macros. These can give you the edge in complex games, allowing for quick access to commands and abilities. And if it comes with its own little weights and adjustments, well, that's just the cherry on top. Tailoring the weight and feel of your mouse can make a world of difference. For budget builds, consider the Logitech G213 keyboard and G203 mouse. They offer great performance without breaking the bank. For high-end builds, the Corsair K95 RGB Platinum keyboard and Logitech G502 Hero mouse are excellent choices. They provide top-tier performance and customization options. In the end, the perfect keyboard and mouse are not just accessories, they are extensions of your will, translating your thoughts into actions with precision and style. Section 6. Sounds of Victory, Crafting an Auditory Masterpiece. Now we've got the visuals and the controls down, but what about the audio? The soundscape of your game is just as crucial as the graphics and gameplay mechanics. It can make or break your immersion. Because let's be real, no gaming experience is complete without immersive sound. The audio pulls you into the game world, making every moment feel real and intense. Invest in a good quality headset with surround sound capabilities. It isn't just about hearing the game, it's about experiencing it. A headset with surround sound can make you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. You want to be able to hear those enemy footsteps creeping up behind you and pinpoint the direction of every gunshot. This level of detail can give you a competitive edge, making you more aware of your surroundings. And of course, a clear microphone is a must for trash talking your opponents, in a friendly manner, of course. Communication is key in team-based games, and a good mic ensures your voice is heard loud and clear. For those on a budget, the Creative Pebble 2.0 speakers are a fantastic option. They offer great sound quality without breaking the bank, making them perfect for a budget build. If you're looking to splurge, the Audio Engine A5 Plus wireless speakers provide superior sound quality. These high-end speakers will elevate your gaming audio to new heights, delivering rich and immersive sound. We're talking about feeling those explosions in your chest and hearing every subtle detail of the game world. The right audio setup can transform your gaming experience, making it more immersive and enjoyable than ever before. Section 7. A symphony of speed, choosing the right RAM and storage. All right, let's talk about the unsung heroes of your gaming PC RAM and storage. These components might not be as flashy as a shiny new GPU, but trust me, they're just as important. For RAM, you'll want at least 16 gigabytes of DDR5 running at a speed that would make a cheater jealous. This will ensure your games run smoothly and that you can have a million browser tabs open without your PC slowing to a crawl. And when it comes to storage, NVMe SSDs are the name of the game. These bad boys offer lightning-fast load times, so you can spend less time staring at loading screens and more time fragging noobs. For budget builds, consider the Corsair Vengeance OPX 16GB RAM and Kingston A2000 NVMe SSD. For high-end builds, the G.Skill Trident Z Royal 32GB RAM and Samsung 970 Evo Plus NVMe SSD are top choices. Keeping your cool optimal cooling solutions. Now, with all this high-end hardware crammed into one case, things are going to get a bit toasty. And the last thing you want is your components melting like ice cream in a heat wave. That's where cooling comes in. For budget builds, the Cooler Master Hyper 212 EVO is a reliable choice. For high-end builds, the NZXT Kraken X73 offers excellent cooling performance. Liquid cooling is like the Rolls-Royce of PC cooling, offering superior performance and that oh-so-satisfying futuristic aesthetic. Whichever route you choose, make sure your case has good airflow to keep everything running cool and stable. Because remember, a cool PC is a happy PC and a happy gamer. The finishing touches case, power supply, and peripherals. We're in the home stretch now, folks. The excitement is palpable as we get ready to complete our gaming rig. But before we hit that power button, we need to talk about the finishing touches, the case, power supply, and peripherals. These elements are crucial for both the performance and aesthetics of your build. The case is more than just a pretty box to hold all your components. It's the foundation of your build, providing structure and protection. It needs to have good airflow, cable management options, and enough space for all your hardware, and maybe a few RGB fans for good measure. Proper airflow ensures your components stay cool, which is vital for maintaining performance and longevity. The power supply is like the heart of your PC, pumping electricity to all those power-hungry components. It converts the AC power from your wall outlet into the DC power your components need. Don't skimp on this one. A reliable power supply ensures stable power delivery, which is crucial for system stability and performance. Get a reputable brand with enough wattage to handle your system, even under heavy load. Consider future upgrades too. Having a bit of extra wattage can save you from needing a new power supply down the line. For budget builds, the NZXT H510 case and EVGA 600W1 power supply are good options. For high-end builds, the Corsair Obsidian Series 1000D case and Seasonic Prime TX 1000 power supply provide top-tier quality. And finally, don't forget about the little things. A good mousepad, a comfortable chair, maybe even a fancy headset stand. These peripherals might seem minor, but they significantly enhance your gaming experience. These small details can make a big difference in your overall gaming experience. A well-organized and comfortable setup can improve your focus and enjoyment, making those long gaming sessions more pleasant and productive. The price of power budgeting for your dream build. Now I know what you're thinking. Linus, this all sounds amazing, but my bank account is already crying just listening to you. And yeah, building a top-of-the-line gaming PC isn't cheap, but the good news is, you don't have to break the bank to get a killer rig. Set a budget for yourself and prioritize the components that will have the biggest impact on your gaming experience. You can always upgrade components later down the line as your budget allows. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither was the ultimate gaming PC. Game on conclusion. So there you have it, folks, the ultimate gaming PC build for 2024. With this beastly machine at your fingertips, you'll be ready to conquer any game, dominate any battlefield, and experience gaming like never before. Remember, building a PC is a journey, so have fun with it, don't be afraid to experiment, and most importantly, game on. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on future tech-savvy videos.